Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hope all you are doing great. Today I am going to share my experience in recently I attended a Meha workshop about generative AI conducted by our Nxtwave CCBP Academy. The workshop full of generative AI. First we go to discuss about what is generative AI. Generative AI refer to a class of artificial intelligence technique that focus on creating new content such as text, speech, music, image and videos, etc. rather than simply analyzing or classifying exciting data. Here's an overview of how generative AI is applied in various domains like text generation, speech generation, music generation, image and video generation. Text generation. Generative AI can create human like text based on given prompt. This technology is employed in chatbots, content creation, language translation, code generation, and even in generating realistic look news articles or stories. Speech generation. Speech synthesis powered by generative AI allow for creating of natural sounding human like speech. It has application in voice assistance, audiobook narration, visual character in games and accessibility tools for visually impaired individuals. Next, music generation. Generative AI can compose original music based on pattern learned from exciting composition. It is used in creating background music for videos, assisting musicians in creative process, and even generating music in specific styles or mood. Image generation. This involves creating images from scratch based on pattern and style learned from a dataset. Generative AI can be used for creating art, design and even generating photorealistic image of non-existent object or resources. Video generation. Generative AI in video creation involve stitching together frame to form coherent voice. It is used in video games development, special effort in movies and generating animated content based on textual description. Generative AI techniques are often achieved through deep learning models such as generative adversarial network (GAN) and VAE stand for variational autoencoders. Among others, has a bit more about test lectures. Okay, hope you have better understanding about what is generative AI and its elements like text, image, audio, video, etc. Now we go to discuss about nuts and bolts in generative AI like LLM, Hugging Face, Gradio, Vector Database, OpenAI API, voice cloning, Google Colab, etc. Okay, first we go to discuss about what is LLM. It stands for large language model, like the one you are interacting with GPT 3.5 advanced AI model trains on vast amount of text data. They can understand and generate text like a human on the input they receive. This model are capable of wide ranging of tasks including text generation, translation, and summarization, etc. Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a platform that provides a variety of pre-trained language models and tools that are working for natural language processing (NLP). They offer popular models like BERT, GPT, and more, along with libraries that make it easier to use this model for tasks like text classification, sentiment and analysis, and more. Gradio. Gradio is a Python library that allows you to quickly create user interface for machine learning models. It lets you build interactive interface to interact with your model, such as creating web-based demos where user can input text or image and see model prediction in real time. Next, vector database. A vector database is a data storage system designed for efficient storage and retrieval of high-dimensional vector, often used in machine learning and data mining tasks. This database enables fast similarity searches and other vector-based computations, which can be useful in tasks like a recommendation system and clustering. What is OpenAI API? The OpenAI API provides access to powerful language models like GPT-3. Developers can use this API to integrate the capabilities of this model into their own application, product, or service, etc. This enables a wide range of natural language processing tasks to be automated and enhanced. Voice cloning. Voice clone involves creating a digital replica of someone's voice. It's often achieved using deep learning techniques that analyze and mimic the speech pattern, intonation, and other character of a person's voice. This technology has application in voice assistant, audiobook, dubbing, and more, etc. Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud-based platform that provides free access to GPUs and TPUs for running and experimenting with machine learning code. It's based on Jupyter network and is a popular among researchers and students for its ease of use and access to powerful computing resources. This topic represents some of the key components and tools of a world of AI, machine learning, and natural language processing. They enable developers and students to create sophisticated applications and solutions that leverage the power of AI to solve various problems. Okay guys, hope you have better understand about what is generative AI and nuts and bolts in generative AI tools. I am very happy to share what I learned from that workshop. I hope this video is useful for you. Stay tuned guys for next video. Keep subscribing my channel and click bell icon near the subscribe button. Thank you.